And we started this account from 11th of May, and today is 30th of July. Maybe it will take some time to update. So here you can verify that with a deposit of 100k, the profit that we achieved is 857,117.23. Guys, this is a trial account, this is a demo account, and the expert advisor is new, and we are trying to see which setting is better and how the expert advisor is performing in these kind of volatile markets. And this is a second account, like where it is on a medium risk, where the deposit is the same 100k, and this was from July 6th till 30th of July today, and the monthly is around 21.25, and the drawdown has been 6.05 at the max so far. Okay, this is the second account on the medium risk. As you can see, with a deposit of 100k, it has achieved 21,467.76, and these are the running trades right now. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today we are going to review two settings of Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor. One is high risk because it used to take higher lot sizes, and one is lower risk, though not lower risk, I would say medium risk, that used to take cumulative lot sizes. Maybe the lot sizes will increase, but both of the strategies use hedging strategy and the trend trading strategy as well as scalping strategy. Okay, so let's start from here. The minimum requirement to trade with this expert advisor is 100k. This is a high risk account that I'm sharing with you, and this is a demo account since the expert advisor is new, and we are trying a different kind of settings, that which setting is performing better. So this is what is there, 100k that we started with on 11th of May, and today is 30th of July. So as you can see, with a deposit of 100k, we already achieved 857,117.23, and these are the running trades right now. It used to use buy stop and sell stop to enter the trades. And let's go to the another setting that is on medium risk. I have already shared you the MyFXBook. Let's go to MyFXBook once again for this particular account. So this is the MyFXBook. As you can see, it was updated 14 hours ago, so it might take some time, but from 100k we are at 941,863.41. that is absolute gain is 841.82% in a span of less than 3 months. Let's go to the medium risk setting that we started this month only. So on this particular account, we also started the same with 100k, and we are at 121,245.14. This statistics was updated 5 hours ago, and the maximum drawdown was 6.05, and the monthly is around 21.25%, and the daily is around 0.77%. So this account we started on 6th of July, and today is 30th of July. So it's not even 1 month. So with a deposit of 100k, we achieved 21,467.76, and these are the running trades right now. As you can see, it uses buy and sell stop. Settings on both the accounts are different. Okay, here you can see the cumulative lot sizes that used to increase in the hedging style, and in the other account the lot sizes are increasing rapidly, but number of trades are less. Okay, so even in this particular expert advisor, the expert advisor is the same, settings are different, and we created a new setting, like I would say, let me show you over here. Okay, so this one, see, in this way, like the maximum lot sizes that you can decide, the maximum lot sizes, like in the new version we are using news filter and couple of things. Here the maximum lot size we kept at 1.0. However, by default we kept 10 lot sizes in the default setting, which we are using original setting right now. We are using previous setting, but the new setting that we created, we kept at lot sizes. The maximum lot size we kept at 1. Okay, and also stop profit you can use. You can use stop loss also in the new version. Okay, auto compounding is there, and emergency protection that we kept and in the new version. However, we are not using new version right now. This has been just created, and once we complete, we would like to see that how far the market goes and how the EA is reacting on its existing settings. Then these settings are just for additional protection, like daily loss limit, or maybe maximum drawdown percentage, or hard dollar stop, or emergency protection. Okay, and as well as the stop loss. So these are the new filters and the new settings, or maybe the emergency protection that we kept in the new settings of this trading expert advisor. But in this particular account, or whatever MyFXBook is going on, we are letting the EA to do whatever is based on the strategy. We have not kept any kind of things. We kept it like around 10 lot as the maximum lot, and the number of trades is 50. However, with the new settings, we can customize it to number of trades. Even in the previous setting also, we can customize the number of trades and as well as the maximum lot size. Okay, so I would like to share that we can customize the expert advisor based on our risk priority. Okay, so this is all about Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor. We have shared you 2 accounts on different kind of settings on demo account, but this is live trading. This is not a back testing. Whatever you are seeing is, you can see that it is all live. It is not a back testing, and this is how the expert advisor behaved in the market in the past. This particular is around 3 weeks, and the other account that I showed you is almost 2.5 months, more than 2. I mean, like it would be more than 2.5 months in some time. So this is all about Trend Hedging Gold Expert Advisor on 2 accounts. Please share in the comment that which setting do you think is better, and in the new setting, in the new version of the Expert Advisor, we have created some additional safe filters, so people like who are conservative can use those settings for their risk appetite, as per their risk appetite. So thanks for staying with me, and in case if you have any query, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram. Both are in the video description, and please comment on how you would like to see the next video on this expert advisor, and shall we start it with the new settings. Please comment in the video, and we would like to share you more expert advisor videos very soon. And all these expert advisor that we are trading are live. This is not a back testing, and this is the difference between our channel and other channels. So thank you very much, guys, and this is not a screenshot. This is all real trading from day 1 till date. So thanks for staying with us. In case if you have not subscribed us so far, please do that, and please explore the playlist, and you will find other important details in the video description. So thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye.